Hello everyone and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, in our previous video we talked about Zomato Business Analyst Program and we talked about the exam dates, interview dates and the recruitment which is there. So we discussed how to apply and what is Business Analyst Program. So if you have not watched that video, so please go and watch that video first so that everything will be clear to you. So definitely your salary will be going to 10 LPA and that is fixed. That means 10 lakh per annum and that is fixed, not the including the incentives. So incentives can be something more. So guys, this is one of the best jobs. So business analyst program, we have discussed what is this, in how many years or how many months the training will be there. So here we have discussed each and everything in our previous video. So if you have not watched that video, so please go and watch that video so that there will be no confusion in getting all those things. So after that guys, we have started our preparation videos also, like for any of the exam if you are giving. So if there are mass students, so definitely we plan to strategize and to give a preparation videos, some preparation videos on daily basis. For example, initially we started with government private job alerts, in which on daily basis we provide you 2 to 3 government private job alerts. After that we started our new preparation strategy, like we started with the TCS smart hiring preparation strategy, and in last 6 to 7 days we have provided I think more than 20 videos to the students, and the students are really satisfied, and by looking their satisfaction we are also happy that we will work hard in our coming recruitments. So guys, and we have also done for Infosys also. So this is all the things are same, students are happy. And if you have any doubt or if you are hesitating like is it true or something else, so you can go and watch our videos. Now give your conclusion, and while commenting please watch other conclusions, please read other conclusions or other comments from the students also, because they have already faced all those things and they have commented, means they got something interesting or something is helpful to them. So guys, now talking about your Zomato business analyst program. So as I told you in our previous video, after filling the form you will instantly have to give the exam. That means the form is for start a test. That means you have to start a test directly. So talking about all those things, so as I told you about the exam dates also from 19 to 26, and the interview dates from I guess 20, from 20 June to 30 June. So guys, these are the exam dates and interview dates. And if you have any doubt or if I misinterpret something, so please go and watch the previous video. So guys, today our topic is exact exam questions. Like definitely we are going to tell you about the questions and how to tackle the questions and your exam pattern. So guys, watch the video till the end, and if you have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. So guys, now initially we will start with the exam pattern, means what will be the exam pattern, how many questions you are going to get, what is the total time limit. So these all the questions we will tackle right now. So guys, as you can see on the screen, please give the test with these are the instructions after when you will click the OTP and when you will write the OTP in the page, and after that when you will click yes start the test, then definitely after that you are going to have this instruction. So guys, you can see these are all the things, like must have a internet connection, no disturbance from backside background. So these are the basic things. So after that you can see you will be given 26 questions to answer and you will be given maximum 40 minutes. Yes, definitely your 26 questions are there and 40 minutes are there. So after that, now you can see do not take any phone call or distraction during the test, do not change tab. So these are some of the things. That means if you change the test, then you may be disqualified. So this is 50-50. It is your luck, means if you change the tab, like it is your luck that you will not be disqualified, and it is bad luck that you will be disqualified. So guys, I told you like exam pattern is 26 question and 40 minutes. So now talking about what are in those questions, means उन questions में क्या क्या है. So guys, starting with your reasoning, so there are a lot of questions from reasoning, like your sitting arrangement and your alphabetical series, and means the basic the reasoning questions are there. And after that there are some of the questions like you have to speak. There will be a recording of 120 seconds. That means for 2 minutes while looking in the camera you have to speak, and after that your recording will be uploaded to the server. So this is the basic thing, this is the exam. So like a few questions we will tell you. So we got some from some of the students, so let me tell you some questions. So guys, see, this is your first question, and I think everyone knows this is of reasoning question, like D lives between BF A lives in successive floors, B lives in the topmost floor. So these are the things, and the question is how many people live between G and C. So guys, you can read out this question, and I suggest you that please try this question. So we have not given you the options also, but definitely 1 2 3 4, these are the options. So now after that, talking about your statement and assertions also, few questions are from your statement and assertions also. So you can see two statements, 1 and 2 are given. After that, these statements may be either independent causes or maybe effects of independent causes or a common cause. Now one of those statements may be the effect of the other statement. Read both the statements and decide which of the following answer choose correctly depicts the relationship between two statements. So guys, these are the statements, so you can read out the statements, and what you have to tell, that means both are independent, both are dependent, one is independent. So like these are your options, so you can read out this question, and this will really be helpful to you guys. After that, talking about your third question, so you can see this is your third question, and this is also of your reasoning question. Like six players are there, who is between them anti-clockwise. So this is a circular arrangement question, so you can solve it and tell me the answer in the comment section. So I'll wait for your answer. After that, now you can see this is your next question. Find the letter in the 16th position when the alphabets are written in the alphabetical order. That means you have to tell the 16th position only. So O is your 15 and P is your 16. So your direct answer is P. So you can see this question. After that, there is a next question. This is of alphanumeric. You can say it, it is of aptitude, or you can say it is also of reasoning. So you can see how many numbers in the series are preceded by a vowel. So in this question, what you have to tell? So you have to tell means how many numbers are there which are preceded by vowel. That means नंबर के पीछे वोवल होना चाहिए, गेटिंग, नंबर के पहले वोवल होना चाहिए. अब देखिए वेयर आर द नंबर्स, सो यू कैन सी नंबर्स बिफोर नंबर इट इज वोवल, नो. आफ्टर दैट, is this number? Yes, 7 is a number. Before that, it is a vowel. Yes, this is a vowel. That means 1. After that, this is a number. This is vowel. Yes, 2. So you can, like this, you can count these things, and I think the option is 1 2 3 4 5. So you can choose the options accordingly. So guys, these are some of the questions. Now talking about the most important questions, and that will be really helpful to you guys. So what are those? So let me discuss with you. So your first question is, means you have to speak in the cam while looking in the camera. Your microphone and your camera will be on, so they will ask you to on them, and after that you have to speak in the camera. So your first question is, if a frustrated customer complained about a well-known flaw, means you also know, means company also know, that means Zomato also know that is a flaw, and a frustrated customer is talking to you like angrily or rudely, whatever. So how will you tackle that thing? Means how will you talk to him, or how you will calm him? So for 2 minutes you have to speak this. That means 120 seconds. So you can prepare anything what you want it to be. So this is your first question. That means you have to speak in recordings also. So after that, talking about your next question. So your next question is, what is more important in your first job? First option is your earning, and second is your learning. So you have to give your views in 2 minutes. That means 120 second. That what is important in your first job. That means जो आपकी पहली जॉब लगेगी उसमें क्या important है? आपकी अर्निंग ज्यादा important है आपके लिए, या आपकी जो लर्निंग ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? सो दैट मीन्स अर्निंग और लर्निंग, यू हैव टू गिव योर व्यूज, and finally you have to conclude. So guys, in these types of question, what you have to do, firstly introduce something like earning, learning, and after that give the statement, and in the last paragraph give the conclusion, like I wanted to this, I want to, means these are the things. So guys, like that you can conclude. So that will be going to be a very interesting and easy thing. So that means your some kind of interviews also taken from them, getting. So this is your second question. So after that, there is a one more question, that if you will earn 10 crore, sorry, if you not earn, if you got a lottery of 10 crore, what you will do with that money? That means अगर आपकी 10 करोड़ की लॉटरी लगती है, आप उस जो मनी होगी उसका क्या करोगे? Definitely, so you have to give some of the good things, like you will donate to some NGOs, to give your parents, to help them financially, और आप अपना कोई startup start करना चाहते हैं, means something like that you have to give you the views. So these are the three questions. That means you have to speak in the recording for 120 seconds. So I suggest you can write something in them, or you can search Google, whatever you want it to be. But this is the basic exam pattern, and as I told you, 26 question, 40 minutes. And after that, these are your three recording questions, and the some of the aptitude questions we discussed about you. And after that, talking about your verbal questions, so I think last 3 to 4 questions are of your verbal questions, and these are really easy. means very easy questions, means verbal. Do not worry about the verbal part. I think 3 to 4 questions are there, but what I suggest you, just focus on these things, these recording questions. So I told you 3 questions. First is your frustrated customer, second is your earning or learning, and third is your 10 crore lottery. So guys, go and read out from somewhere, from Google or whatever, and after that write your answer, or you can just read out one so that you can speak it earlier. So guys, this is the thing we have discussed about each and everything in detail. So if you still have any doubts, so you can comment us in our comment section, and you can also join our Telegram groups also. We have provided 3 Telegram groups. If you have any doubt, you can come there and you can DM us also. So guys, these are the things. So we have discussed each and everything. So this is all for today, and I wish you all the best and God bless you all.